Hello friends. In my new video tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to easily and creatively apply decorative rhinestones to your clavicle right at home. You'll need just a few simple tools: rhinestones, glue, and tweezers. Prepare your skin by cleaning and degreasing the clavicle area for better adhesion. Choose a design by placing rhinestones on the clavicle, creating a unique pattern, or following your inspiration. Apply the glue following the instructions, carefully placing it where you want to position the rhinestones. Using tweezers, delicately position the rhinestones on the clavicle according to your chosen design. Allow the glue to dry completely to ensure the long-lasting stability of the decoration. Thus, you'll create a stunning and original accent, adding sparkle and style to your look. Enjoy your unique design